Hey there, YouTube friends. This is Lester. Thank you for joining me for a video. Just wanted to say hello. I have something really awesome to share with you. Thank you. Thank you for being too lazy to unsubscribe from my channel. Appreciate you guys. Hey, this is Les. Here. I have not done a video for a good long time, and this has finally come in the mail from Las Cruces, New Mexico, from the Hatch Chili Company. I've never had anything like this. These are the Big Jim Pure Green chilies that I ordered from the Hatch Chili Company in Las Cruces, New Mexico. And one of the best decisions for buying food that I've ever made. I have had now one whole jar of these to myself last night, and today I want to review them for you. That's one of the main things I do on my channel, is I share good ideas with you. So every single subscriber on my channel can definitely benefit from this. These chilies are freaking delicious. I was skeptical because I thought, well, they're going to ship, are they going to be busted? Is the jar going to be broken? Are they going to be as good as they look in the advertisements? And they taste even better than they look. And these are fire roasted chilies that are hand roasted. And you can put these on your burgers, your salads, your tacos, your burritos. And they make things that are delicious even more delicious. I have had my first jar of them. I had them with tacos last night. I ate the whole jar. And what's really cool is once you're done, you can tear the label off the jar and clean it up. And now you have a really good storage jar. And you can just keep collecting them, and they're nifty little jars with a nice lid on them. So tonight I'm making burgers. I'll get my burger done, and I'll get some of these chilies on there, and I'll take a bite for you. These chilies, if the lid is not opened, can last up to 24 months stored in this jar, which is awesome. So if you live really far away, even if you're in another country, you can order these chilies, and they'll be fresh when you're ready to eat them. And then if you have opened the jar, I think they'll be good in the jar for about a week. And I think if you have opened the jar and you freeze them, you can freeze it up for up to 12 months. But you won't be doing any of that, because once you open this jar, you're gonna be ripping through these because they're just so good. I mean, these were so delicious. I had them on I had beef tacos last night, and they were awesome. And it's just such an awesome company. The owners of the company, they just seem like really sweet, really nice people. And I'm so happy to find a product like this that I can give my money to. I will 100% definitely be ordering chilies from the Hatch Chili company forever. There's no telling how far they could go. I mean, they're making a delicious product. American family, just working hard, working their asses off, and putting out something that so many people can enjoy. And chilies are just so good for you. They're good for your health. They keep your cholesterol down. They actually help with blood clots. So definitely something that's really healthy for your diet. And oh my gosh, just so delicious. All right, well, I've shared it with you. It's up to you now if you want to give this a try. But I 1,000% recommend this. One of the coolest food products I ever discovered and bought, and was very happy with. So anyway, I'm gonna make up some burgers here, and we'll splash some of those chilies on there, and take a bite for you. All right, so look, this is just a very normal burger, 80-20 hamburger, salt and pepper, cooked to your liking, simple hamburger bun, nothing else. And we're gonna crack this open. Best sound in the world right here. We're gonna make it happen here. Oh, it's on there tight. Try to get that. Okay, there we go. And there it is. Freshly opened jar of Big Jim pure green chilies, and we're gonna get that on the burger. Now, I'm not gonna judge you if you put some on the burger and then dab a little bit on the end for your first bite. No judgment being passed. And listen, you're already in the cool club if you bought these chilies, but you're really cool if you dump them from the jar right onto the burger. That's just really cool. So we're gonna do that. Nice dab right there. And here we go for the bite. Wow. I mean, burgers are good naturally, but wow, did that make it so good. Look at this. They don't sell water, they say. They don't sell water. Look at how thick they are. Look at all the fire roasted burn marks in there from the hand fire roasting. I'm telling y'all, this is last summer. I hope you really give this a try. This is awesome. I don't want to talk anymore. I just want to keep dumping chilies on this burger and finish it. Peace, everybody. Thanks for coming in on my channel and watching one of my videos. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll just see you on that next video. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all for being here. Bye-bye now.